This is a big historical news. G20 summit starts. Putin enters accompanied by 4 warships off the Australian coast. To sound a mockery. What's this guy doing? What is the matter with this guy? What's wrong with this guy? Is he losing it? Is he just losing it? But the G summit begins today about world economies. G20 summit begins today about world economies. But Putin had to take 4 warships with him on the Australian coast near Brisbane. For what, I don't know. I'm afraid somebody's going to attack him. Once again, I don't know. He entered the sound of mockery. What do you want? You invaded a nation that was nothing to do with you. You invaded a nation that has nothing to do with you. We were asked to help Syria. The coalition was asked to help Syria. Iraq. There's a big difference in invading a country, as Bush did, which just started all this mess. And Putin goes along and does Ukraine. Who knows what he's going to try and seek next? Who knows what nation he's going to try and seek next? He's trying to rebuild the Soviet Union. Who knows? Only Putin knows that. Well, hopefully we get some answers from the G20 summit. This is something big historical news. Thank you for watching.